Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This week I have for you a short tutorial of how to use Artiste from Seaweed gel, and I will show you how to recreate these cute flowers that I did a couple days ago. So without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. So the color I'm going to use as a base is Seaweed gel's number 23 powder blue. Now always remember that when working with gel, you want to do very thin coats and cure in between each of them. So as usual, the lamp I'm using is Seaweed gel's U-Light Pro 1. Now to the second coat. And the third one because I really want it to be opaque. Once your base color is all cured, we're going to use Artiste to create the blooming flowers. I know several different brands offer blooming gels, but honestly, Seaweed gel's Artiste is the very first that I have seen on the market. Now what you want to do is to apply one even and thin coat of Artiste all over your cured color. But don't cure this one just yet. For the next step, I'm going to use BSG's Raindrops along with their liner brush number 1. I really love how their brushes look with all the little diamonds in the handle, and I love that they have a cap. On top of being really good brushes, they are beautiful. Now with this teeny tiny brush, I'm going to grab some of the Raindrops color and apply it to the nail, going from the center to the sides with a little bubble on the tip of it. To make it look like a flower, you want to put all the lines going in the same central direction. And repeat the same process as many times as you like. Once you're done creating your design, give Artiste a couple seconds to act and see how the colors are spreading. Once you're happy with it, is the time to cure it. Once cured, I'll apply one thin coat of BSG's No Wipe top. Once this one is also cured, you can either decide to leave it this way or to add little crystals on the center of the flowers, like I'm gonna do right now. The tool I'm using is Miss Lala Doll's Crystal Picker, and I really love it. On one side, you have a wax tip to pick up the crystals, and on the other side you have just a pointy tip to move your crystals around to make sure they're on the right place. I also love that the handle has little pink crystals inside it. To stick the crystals to the nail, I'll use either BSG's Builder X, which is their stronger formula, or a little bit of No Wipe top. Then you just apply your crystals, and once they're in place, you cure this. Now to make sure all your crystals will stay in place, you can seal everything using one last coat of No Wipe top. And that's it. That's how you get these super quick and easy little flowers. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!